If you are using Windows regularly, using these Windows keyboard shortcuts will definitely increase your computer skills. Presented as a list of shortcuts that will help you ease through your daily work. You might know some of them, but there are certainly some hidden secret that you wouldn't have heard of it before. Once you start using them, you will amaze how easy navigating and operating on Windows has become. These are the most basic shortcuts and ones you'll likely have heard of. They are key in moving through your work quickly and easily. Let's start. These are the most basic shortcuts and ones you'll likely have heard of. They are key in moving through your work quickly and easily. Irrespective of what you are doing, or where you are doing it, Ctrl+C is a lifesaver. One possibly can't survive without this function. Whatever program you're running, this function helps you get back to your last input. So don't worry about all the mistakes, as this particular shortcut will save you every time. Again, irrespective of which program you are running, this shortcut key selects all of the text, files, folders, or elements in any given program or page. Instead of spending your time dragging your mouse all over the page, use this to grab everything in one go. You've selected what you wanted to. Now you'd like to copy it. This is probably one of the top shortcut keys people use when working on their Windows system. Easily copy whatever you like, and it stays with you until you are ready to paste it. Easily paste all that you have copied. It could be a text, file, image, or folder. In any case, this is a very useful feature to bring everything together. If you would like to paste plain, simple text without original formatting, just add Shift to it, i.e. Ctrl+Shift+V. Don't want a piece of text, /table, /image/file in a particular place? Simply select it and use the shortcut Ctrl+X. The piece gets removed and copied. Then, use the paste shortcut to paste it anywhere you like. This one has been around for a while and has been enhanced with upgrades in the Windows OS. Simply press Alt and then the Tab key, and you will switch to the next tab/screen. Holding down the Alt button and tapping on Tab lets you move and choose between multiple screens. Talk about multitasking. This shortcut has been around for decades now. Simply press Alt plus the function F4 key and the application you're using will close. However, it is smart enough to ask you to save your work before it shuts down. It also works almost on anything right from your browser to games and custom applications. You know you just wrote that sentence, and now you can't find it. Or you really need to find a particular keyword in a document or a browser. Ctrl+F is the handy shortcut that will open a quick bar where you can type in the keyword, and it will show you all the results in the document matching your request. You just finished your essay, and you realize you've been spelling the name of that scientist wrong the whole time. Now you not only need to find the keyword but replace all uses of it with something else. Not a problem at all. The Ctrl+H shortcut comes in handy here. Just hit the keys and a box will open. You can simply type in the word that you need to find and replace. This works for most document types. Whether you are in your File Explorer or browser, pressing Ctrl+E will select your search/navigation bar, and you can directly start typing into it. This will make your life easier when you need quick search. Pressing Ctrl+N together will open up a new file or a window depending on if you are working in your browser or offline. This Windows keyboard shortcut works well with most offline applications and online browsers made for Windows. Advanced Windows keyboard shortcuts. Stepping away, but don't want to shut down or put your system to sleep? Win+L is a great shortcut. It helps you lock down your screen, and unless you re-enter your password, nobody can open it, assuming you have a password set for your system. This is actually a quick minimize option. No matter how many tabs/windows are open, this shortcut quickly minimizes all of them and shows you the desktop, allowing you to access files or an application in a couple of clicks. This shortcut is very similar to what Alt+Tab does, but it is a more advanced level Windows app navigator. When you press it, you will see tiles of all the open programs and most used programs. You can scroll or jump between them by additionally pressing the Shift key with the Win+Tab command. Need to quickly open the Settings tab? Now, you don't need to browse through 3 to 4 destinations to reach the Settings tab. Just hit Win+I to open up the Settings menu for Windows. You will always have that file or application that you can't find on your PC. For this, Windows introduced the search bar. You can easily open it by pressing Win+S and typing in the file name you want to look up. Additionally, since Cortana is integrated with the search function, you can use it to ask additional questions as well. If the same thing can be done faster, then do it. That's why we present the keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Office applications. We especially love them in the tools we use every day, like Microsoft Word. Microsoft put together a list of the most used Microsoft Word shortcuts, and we've turned them into helpful video presentation that you can watch/like/share with that colleague that needs a bit of Word help, winky face.